And welcome back to another edition of Hworks with James Flinn. Behind me is one of our dog toys back here. There's one of our dogs, Bentley. And they love to run around back here and grab that toy, but in the process, as you can see, they tear up all the grass. So it's a mess. So today we're going to put down a bunch of flat rock on the ground, bury it so it's fairly level. We don't want the rock to look like it was organized or anything. We have big gaps in it. Then we're going to fill all that with quarry wash. So like in most of the other projects you've seen so far around the house, I have this huge pile of rock in our back garden area, and a lot of it is fairly unusable to build any like rock walls or walls around trees, but it's huge. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be moving this rock up here and taking it all the way over to there to start building the path for our dogs. So, end of evening one, we got 3 rocks down. We got Dexter right over here. Come here, Dexter. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. This is why we do it right here, our boys. Bentley, come here, buddy. Come here. There we go. So we'll see you tomorrow when we continue this little project. Right, boys? That's right. That's my boys. All right. Hey, you're stepping on my glasses. Hey, good morning. Day 2 of our little project behind us. And we've already kind of laid out some of the stones this morning so we can kind of figure out where everything is going to go. This will be our final design when we're done. Now we just got to dig it all out. So there we go, we got everything dug down. It's as level as I want it. We got to run to the compost site, drop some stuff off, head over and get some quarry wash, come back and throw it in there and wash it all down. Should be good to go. Taking a little break, ran off to the compost site, taking care of that business, ran and got some quarry wash. Now it's time to lay it down inside the rock. The quarry wash looks something like this. You'll pack this stuff in with water and she'll hold her shape inside the rocks and lock everything in place. Another neat thing about quarry wash is that nothing really can grow inside of quarry wash, so you don't need to put any type of membrane down or any plastic or anything like that, because nothing's going to grow in it. Hey, well, good morning. We finished this last night. We got everything packed in, watered down, and now it's just going to wait a little while, let Mother Nature do its chore, let the boys play on it, pack it in some more. We'll fill it in a little bit more with some quarry wash, and should be good to go. So thanks for watching Hworks.